This video starts off about the 1 minute mark. Before that, I'm just kind of telling you what's going to be in the video. One Owner Car Guy, oneownercarguy.com. All kinds of videos on his channel. Check them out. I think there's 7,000 or 8,000 on here. But this video is about painting wheels and doing wheel bearings. And Rich actually took the camera and was doing wheel bearings. And he got about partway through, got them all out, and made videos of that. But then he didn't want to make any more videos so he didn't get my camera dirty. He needs to get my camera dirty because it was kind of cool. He welded up his own little puller because it was rusted and compromised. The whole end of the axle, the whole hub was compromised. But whatever, that's the deal. That's what's in this video. Just kind of a work blog and stuff. And there's lots of cars coming up, lots and lots of cars. Stay tuned. I've been putting up about 6 videos a week, and I'll be doing that just as much as I can. So here we go. Enjoy. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment. It really helps out. We'll talk to you.
So this truck had a rumbling, like a rumbling, whining, humming going down the road. And as I thought, I don't know if you can hear it, but I would say the wheel bearing shot. Okay, so the fix is this. Some new bearings and some new races, some seals that go on the back of the hub assembly to keep the dirt out. But yeah, obviously I took the wheel off and the brake. Take the brake off all the way, and then I'm going to pull these 3 torque screws out of the front and pull that off. It comes off in a bunch of little pieces, so try to keep it together. So the screws are loose. It comes off pretty hard. Probably going to tap on it from behind with this chisel, just like that. We'll see how it goes. I'll get back to it. Just a quick tap is all it took, and then basically pull this out. Oh, she's definitely rusty. That's never a good sign to see inside your hub. You want grease, not rust. That is definitely had mud intrusion. Alright, well, we'll figure it out. Okay, so there's a circle clip that snaps around the inside of this housing right here. And you can find the end of it. If you look here, I can see the end of it right there and right there. And you got to pry that thing loose and peel it around from the inside. I can't do it and hold the camera, but yeah, this is the severity of the failure of the wheel bearing. I mean, you could definitely hear it if you watch. The whole hub assembly is loose on the bearing. Not good. So as you can see, I got the end of the snap ring out, and then you just continue to pry it out all the way around. Again, it's too hard to hold the camera and get it to come out, but you pop this ring, oh, there we go. Pop this ring all the way out, and then you gotta wiggle this hub assembly out, but it's rusted. It might take a little prying. Let me see what I can do. Once you get that snap ring out, this assembly slides out on you. So I took the outer snap ring out, but the thing was so rusted in, I could not make it work. So I made this puller out of a flat piece of metal, drilled 3 holes in it, welded a nut to the back of it, and you just tighten it. And as you can see, it pulled it right out. Okay, so yeah, my little puller deal that I made. I just drilled 3 holes in it, welded a nut to the back of it to push against the axle. It pulled it right out. But it's one of these 2 sockets. I'm assuming it's this one. And that's it. That socket has 4 teeth. There's your wheel bearing.
We got this truck with the wheel off. Did some wheel bearings, and this here, I don't like the hubs. For sure, don't like the hubs. It's such a simple fix with just a few light coats And I'll put, it's a little cold today, so I'll put about, 4 or 5 coats of about that thickness on here. And that's about it. Number 2, and I got a little couple runs I didn't like on the other ones, so I'm going to do even lighter coats on this. Here's the old wheel bearing, pieces of it missing, and just how gunky. I mean, something got in there, and it became unsealed. And no wonder this thing was and all over the place. But it's so clean under here. Dig the patina on everything. Got the little bit of coat of paint on this. And the wheel, the second one, there's how it's looking before we get the bolts on and all. Bumper's done. Need to wash it now. Getting this balance back in is tricky. Really cool that he taped that, because it is tricky getting that back in there without scratching your bumper, for sure. This is gonna look great. Blacked out the background a little bit. It's gonna look good. All right, so that's what we started with, and afterwards, this is what we got. So huge difference. Looks great. Give you a look at it with it both in the same picture. There we go. It really adds to it, I think, 100%, and matches the bumper, so everything blends together really well. What are you doing? Wheel. All right, so got this thing all taped off. These are the wheels for the F-250 heavy duty, and I'm gonna do a light coat, and I'm using a Krylon Fusion all-in-one. This is great paint, gloss smoke gray. It's the color that we did the bumpers on that, and it's a bit cold out. I'm gonna keep it really light. What are you doing?
No.
Don't touch, don't touch, no touch.
No, bad.
Paint.
Yes, paint.
Paint.
Yes, paint.
Paint. We're painting the wheel. Say paint the wheel.
Paint the wheels.
Paint the wheels. Good job.
Paint the wheels.
Paint the wheels. Uh-oh, Hulk smashing now. Super clean 4x F-250 heavy duty short bed step side 460. Clean, clean, clean. Gonna put new lights all in it and doing a wheel bearing. Got a 97 with 100,000, around 100,000 on both these trucks. Super classic one owner Saab coming up. Old Impala coming up. This van over here is just absolutely, utterly amazing. I mean, talk about clean. Got a couple convertible Mustangs around here. A couple Bricklands. Got a nice Excursion coming up here. All kinds of cars. All kinds of cars. Stinking Buick Centurion. Trans Am's like crazy. Ooh. H3 Hummer, H3T Alpha. Very rare. Only a few hundred of them made. Nice 95 F-150 4x extra cab coming up. Got a Dodge coming up. Got a flare side. All kinds of stuff. Oh, got an Explorer. Beautiful 80,000 mile Explorer. Okay, as the day goes on, and I got 14 property tax bills in front of me, I almost missed taking a picture of this. This is the before. It's already got some wax on here. I'll show you the after later. I'm gonna take a picture of the quarter panel too, because this thing's gonna look great when we're done. And that's a for sure fact. Okay, I caught him right as he started. He just basically barely cut into this, and look at all the blue that's coming off already. That's just part of it, man. It depends on what kind of paint you got and how open it is.
That polish is different than that cutting compound. That cutting compound, you get it on there, you kind of let it dry, and then you just buff it off. It doesn't really wipe off. Still got them little black dots. Yeah.
You coming to help? Are you dryer man?
Whatever this wheel is, I like this.
That's a nice bike.
I like that wheel.
Give me a piece right here, dude. Come on. This is too good to not take a little bit of a video. This is good stuff here. And some people will complain, oh, you couldn't put the wax on. You know what? Whatever. We're not buffing $100,000 here. You like that?
Cool.
Look at the snow. Are you telling me snow?
Yeah, sharp.
Pretty nice. Big difference between that and that. Look at that shine.
Wow.
Woo, doggy.
And that's just a deep cut.
Right? That's not even having a polish on top to make it shine.
That's nice.
That looks good for my house. And my house is right there.
Daddy, sharp. Come here. What?
What?
Bird.
Your shoes?
No, further. Wait.
Spider-Man.
Way back. Way back.
I don't know what you're saying.
Daddy.
Well, here it is after. And wow, what a difference. Blockbuster video. Look at that.
I
Look at that
turn.
shot. You turned.
I turn.
You turned.
I turn. Hot.
What are you doing?
Up.
Let me take a video. So that's the car. Look at that, man. Looks way, way better. Are you Hulk?
No.
That's the thing. Okay, well, I gotta go.
Hold.
He wanted to show you that, I guess.
Hold.
What does Hulk do?
Hold.
Does Hulk smash?
Hold.
Hulk!
Flash. Flash.
Hulk smash.
Flash.
Hulk smash Dad.
Flash.
Ah! Well, that was it. I hope you enjoyed. Little work vlog type thing. Have a lot more videos coming up and a lot of reviews coming up. So thanks for watching. We'll talk to you next time. Subscribe, like, comment.